What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made these red LV Supreme blinged out, of course, press on nails. You want to see how I did it? Stay tuned. Alright, starting off, these are the Katori Beauty XL Stiletto. My mind went blank for a second. And I'm using the Dipped in Pretty Red. I'll put the name in the description box because I don't remember it off the top of my head. Alright, now y'all see I skipped those two nails. That is because I'm going to be painting them nude so that I can put the water slide decal on there. And yes. Alright, now we're going to pop these into the oven. Not the oven. The dryer for 60 seconds. And then we're going to do a second coat and move on to the decals. Okay, now these are out the dryer. Off camera, I just buffed the the nude nails, and I'm going to get them ready to do the decals. These are the water slide decals that I'm using. They're called So Supreme Queen. They are from my website, katoribeautycontact, link in the description. I will be using these on the nude nails. You put them in water for about 30 seconds, and then they basically slide off. You'll see. Alright, now you see me just putting on this clear coat. It's kind of like a foundation for the water slide decal because once you put it on there, you'll see that it's just going to lay down flat, easily, no bubbles, nothing. So now I'm just showing you the decal I'm going to put on the next nail, and after this I'm just going to fast forward through the next nails. Yeah. Alright, now that these are out of the dryer, I'm gonna stone them. I pretty much freestyled the stones per usual. Didn't know what I was doing. I just kinda did whatever felt right. Alright, and so the set is finally complete. I love it per usual. Nice and bling, LV Supreme. And as usual, all the nail sets that I do will be available on katoribeautycontact. Yeah, so I'm about to show you guys what they look on hand. Don't come for me because I did not install them the right way. I just kind of placed them on. But yeah, when I install them properly, you will see how they look for real. But this is how they look. And yeah, this is so pretty. I hope you learned something and you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.